In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to follow live scores and chats on Threads. Let's get started. Meta has introduced a range of dedicated World Cup features that turn Threads into a central hub for live scores, fan discussions, and interactive match experiences. One of the most useful features in inline real-time scoring, where match scores automatically appear throughout the app with official national team branding embed into relevant post and live chat. You can also search for a specific national team or match in the Threads search bar to access an auto-refreshing live scoreboard that updates throughout the game. When creating a World Cup related post, Threads allow you to insert live match cards and upcoming fixtures panels directly into your content. Threads also offer host-led live chats that are accessible globally through direct messages, allowing fans to participate in real-time conversation hosted by sports broadcasters, creators, and football legends before, during, and after matches. To discover even more content, search for the dedicated World Cup football community on Threads, where you will find a centralized feed featuring match discussions, player updates, media highlights, and post-game analysis. In addition, Threads unlocks special interactive tools during the tournament, including limited edition football stickers, national flag badges known as Team Flair that appear next to your profile picture, and custom football trophy reactions to help fans celebrate every goal, save, and victory. With these features, Threads makes it easier than ever to stay connected to FIFA World Cup. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.